My name is Richard Firth. I'm an Associate Professor at Edinburgh Napier University in Scotland, and I'm responsible for programme leading the Product Design Department at Napier, and I also oversee the other 3D programmes, which would include interior and spatial design. This is the third time I've been invited to run the International Design Workshop for Product Design for this week. I think the main focus of the workshops that I run, it's about empowering students to just working quickly. Don't be afraid to kill your ideas and try something else. It's about working at full scale in card, so we do a lot of card modelling, and the reason we do that is that they work on one-to-one large-scale models, and it means that if we work in groups, everybody gets an opportunity to contribute to the making. And this year we're doing teardrop trailers, which are probably, I think, from about the 1950s. There used to be these home builds, these tiny trailers you could put on the back of cars, but the students have been given a different persona. So at the moment, I think we've end of the world. I think that we've got a teardrop trailer for herbalist and wizard. We've got a trailer for somebody who's a wildlife photographer. And what's really good about that is that it's made up of teams of students from different nationalities, and very quickly we're just making and building in real life. So there's not a lot of sketching, there's not a lot of screen time. It's if you've got cardboard and you can realise it, then just build it. And what you find is that the students really, after the first day, I think they're surprised themselves what they're achieving, and they really take ownership of the projects really, really quickly. And in addition to that, we ask the students to not only record their process, but at the end of this project is to make a really engaging 30-second to 1-minute film that just weaves a narrative about what they've done. So the students then get involved to storytell, to kind of communicate their idea, not just from sometimes quite a dry, well, here's an image and here's a poster. It's like they build a scenario around that. Often the students go into the city centre of Nantes and engage with the public with their design, so they get feedback from there. And it's great because essentially after you've briefed the students, it's probably 3 or 4 days work maximum. And they have a solution, they have a full-scale model, a full-size model, they've made a film, they've shared that with the public and the feedback that we've got over the last 3 years is that they're amazed how quickly, how motivated and what can be achieved.